Hello dear children, today we are going to learn the names of different colors. Are you ready? Let's go on a magical journey to the color world, where every color has its own special identity and a story to tell. Here, color always bloom with happiness, full of joy, and they bring new surprises for everyone. So get ready, open your eyes wide, and feel with your heart. This is our colorful adventure. Before getting started, likes, share, and subscribe Cloud Litra.
This is red color. Apple is red. Red. This is yellow. Banana is yellow. This is white color. White. This is brown. This is blue. Car is blue. This is purple. Brinjal is purple. This is green. Leaf is green.
This is black color.
Black. This is cyan. Balloon is cyan. This is golden. Star is golden. This is indigo color. Kite is indigo. This is lime. Lemon color is lime.
This is maroon.
Rose is maroon. This is orange color. Orangey. This is peach. This is peach fruit color. This is pink color. Pink. This is blue color. Blue. This is violet color. Butterfly is violet.